So I got this big box from Jordan Brand. I haven't bought anything Jordan Brand related besides my Jordan 3 cleats that they just released. But I mean, I already opened up the box, but this is pretty insane. So opens up, got the Jordan Brand box. Came with the Jordan 1 Low Royals t-shirt, a jersey, like a woven jersey, a sweet long sleeve thermal, and then it came with like a sweet Jordan satin jacket. But the thing that really got me was they framed my tweet from 2021. I need a Vladdy Jr. trainer as soon as possible.